Welcome to Active Driving Encounters by GTBOARD.com. Police pursuits in Europe. Here we have a classic British Manchester all-out pursuit on these narrow streets. I mean, it's the opposite to American pursuits where it's a big 5-lane highway. Here we have tight corners, road holding, ESP working on overtime. That Golf GTI was hammering it. Anyway, the guy gave up without the crash. Click subscribe and like and comment below.
Dale Street, we've got a vehicle making off Charlie X-ray 09, X-ray Mike Kilo towards Cheadley. They're just on the left onto Edgeley Road towards Cheadley. Jerry towards Roscoe's, just immediately made up from us. There is no traffic, there are no pedestrians. Visibility is good, roads dry. Stand by, pressure traffic lights.
You're ready to put back your opportunity to roll. I'm lost you now, gentlemen. Just confirm your location, please show me on the road.
Yeah, Edgeley Road, just past Morrison from our offside. No, at 0 miles an hour. We didn't even light it up, he just saw our headlights and immediately made off. It's approaching through red ATS and it's a right.
What's the pyramid, mate?
Generally in the alley pyramids, just past them to our near side.
No towards the alley.
Not much, it's not a 62 mile, not any weapons.
Right, well, it's just still a VW Golf, it's registered in Hertfordshire, respectively, so either quote or document details.
There was a 12-plate GTI named on them.
Show me exactly, make sure it's over, right? That can tell us in this time, reduce my settings through speed down on boxing tactic and master and police.
Yes, if you bring away, it's coming up to the traffic lights, and it's a left towards a motorway. It did throw a bottom out towards us, it was a 12 plate strong and recently it's possibly that on both plates, only possible.
Check left.
Clearly. It's gone through a red ATS, it's right, and then immediate left.
Towards the A6.
Just conditions, pedestrians, etc.
Passing go out almost to offside.
Generally towards the A6, it's George's Road towards the A6. Traffic conditions, it's still no vehicles, no pedestrians. It is dry. It's gone round the roundabout, but it's gone round twice. Stand by.
Well, I'm going to try to rely on your directions for everybody. So I'm going through Cheadle.
It's gone left, Wellington Road north. Traffic is still light, still no pedestrians. Speed 70 miles per hour. It is proportionate, we're happy to continue this time.
Let's have all 5 later.
Just past the SO to our offside. Speed increased to 110 miles per hour. There is still no traffic. Generally towards Eaton Chapel. Gone through red ATS at 80 miles per hour. Didn't affect any other road users. Another red ATS. Straight through.
To the near side.
Just passing McVitie's to the near side. Speed 110 miles per hour. Still no traffic. Still proportionate.
Just confirm location.
Still Wellington Road north. Just gone through another red ATS. Approximately 0 miles per hour.
647 is the way they keep sticking.
It was a right, through lane towards Mount Road. Speeds 70 miles per hour. Still no traffic, no pedestrians. Still proportionate traffic to continue.
983, could you just give it a pass on me, please? 3
Clearly.
Yeah, it's right, traffic lights. Generally
Mount Road, mate, Mount Road.
on Mount Road, right onto Mount Road. Speeds 50 miles per hour. Still light traffic, still no pedestrians. It's still proportionate traffic. Continuing Mount Road, speeds have increased to 95 miles per hour.
Light pedestrian activity, mate. Very light road views. Visibility is good.
There's very light pedestrian activity. Still very light on vehicle activity.
Okay, we're going towards High Road.
Yes, it's just done a right onto High Road. Slightly more vehicles, but it's still light and very light pedestrian activity. Heading generally away from Manchester on High Road. Stand by. It's just done a refit now towards Manchester High Road. I believe there's 4 on board. It's done a left. Knutsford Road, left onto Knutsford Road, speed 80 miles per hour. And left into the
Ryder Estate, mate. It's the Ryder Brow.
The Ryder Brow Estate. It's done immediate right onto Devonshire Road.
Devonshire Road heading towards Elbridge.
I'm going to come back towards Mount Road.
Heading gently back towards Mount Road. And it is
Back towards Mount, mate.
back towards Mount Road now on
Actually, not one like we are on Mount Road.
it's just done another right to Wimberley Road. And then left onto Darras Road. Right onto Churton Road. There are no pedestrians, no vehicles. It is still proportionate and happy to continue. Visibility is still good, the road is still dry. Speed 60 miles per hour. Right, Mount Road, and another immediate right onto Craig Road.
Throwing loads of stuff out, mate.
They're throwing loads of stuff out of the windows. I can't see what it is. Throwing stuff out. Right, left, and immediate right. Right onto Darras Road again, back to where he's come from, and then immediate left onto Mount Road. Speed 60 miles per hour. Left.
Just get a stinger. Get a stinger.
Yeah, I don't like to say it's a point stinger, but it's a hard cover with this one. But a reminder, hard cover.
Yes, definitely need hard cover. They're still throwing stuff out the windows. We are at Hemsworth Road, and it's just done a left
Back towards the train
Leamington
station.
Road. Say again?
Back towards the train station.
Back towards the train station. It's 70 miles per hour. Just past some light traffic.
Get someone from High Road with a stinger.
Get somebody High Road with a stinger. Please heading back generally in that direction. Right.
Yeah, but I can come by there if you can do that, girl. There's the trucks.
Left on Pine Street, and it's now left onto High Road, just passing Tesco's out on the side, generally towards Manchester. Speed is 70 miles per hour. Traffic is moderate to light. There are very few pedestrians, and it is a right. Right up to Garrett Way, so Tesco will now be out on the side. Speed 60 miles per hour. Straight through a red ATS at 50 miles per hour. Just missed straight over through more traffic lights. Generally up towards Ashton Old Road.
Just confirm the Porsche that's in the happy to continue.
Yeah, he's always in break.
Yes, he's knocking on off the brakes, and he is slowing down for stuff as he's approaching junctions. It's Abbey Hay Lane, generally towards Ashton Old Road.
Well, Alex, just to say that he's authorised to pursue at the MPH, he's happy with traffic. Yes, we're hoping for it to come to a conclusion shortly, somewhere.
1505, it's slowed down considering it's about 30 mile an hour. Stand by.